Today I want to show you untapped Pinterest niche which can bring you a lot of revenue in affiliate sales or digital products. So I just want to go ahead. I'm inside my Pinterest trends, okay, trends.pinterest.com. It's accessible to every single one of you, okay. Now if you're struggling to get impressions or get views or get clicks on Pinterest, so this is a good tutorial for you. This is a tutorial for you who are struggling to get clicks on find niche. I'm just gonna give it away in this video how to how this niche, which is a hidden niche, can bring you a lot of affiliate sales. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is the niche which I'm talking about is a shoe. Just type in shoe, okay, and it's gonna show up shoes for women, shoe organizations, shoe storage ideas, and shoe wish list. Now there's one particular niche which can bring you a lot of revenue, okay. Now that is called shoe organization. If I click on it, now the location is selected as United States, and if I go to the past 1 year, you have to keep in mind the trend, the graph has to be consistent. If it is flatlined, then you don't want that keyword, okay. Now since this is consistent, I'm just gonna go here and see related trends. Now you can see modern shoe rack and small closet organization bedroom. Guys, let me just tell you, these are transactional keywords. Now what I mean by transactional keywords are something a user who is searching that keyword is ready to buy. That is called transactional keywords. Basically transactional is called a money keyword, so in SEO, okay, search engine optimization. Now I'm just gonna go down here and click on the popular pins and see what they have done. Now of course I can tell you right now, they will redirect every single one of these images to Amazon or some kind of affiliate. So let's just look at this. Let's click on it, and it is from Amazon, okay, so it's just Amazon verified seller. So let me just go to the other pins, individual pins. So everything is eBay, and then okay, all right, so you can see right here IKEA, so these are like individual profiles. So if I click on this pin, they just had a simple image right here, and then 14 IKEA shoe cabinet, the door, hacks the door, so very good. And then they have this link, external links, and if I click on this link, and it's gonna take me to the individual blog website, and if I scroll down, there'll be individual the shoe organizations cabinets and their affiliate link. So even the website is monetized, which is a pretty good. So it's like a two kind revenue from two different sources. And you can see right here, if I click on it, it's gonna take me to the affiliate, the affiliate link is gonna take me to the product page, right? So let me just, and they even have a email newsletter, which is a very good, and she's the author, okay. So all right, so guys, this is a simple blog which anybody can write with the help of AI. And these images can be if you go to the Canva, and if I go to the select the Pinterest the format, and then I just give it a keyword, and if I go to the design and go here, or go to the elements and give a shoe cabinet and hit enter, and if I go to the photos, and you can find a bunch of images, okay, copyright free image. If you are inside Canva Premium, if you're not inside Canva Premium, you can still find free stock images which you can copy paste just like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it replace the background, and I'm just gonna add the banner right here. So let me just type in shoe, 5 shoe. So what is the keyword? The keyword which we are looking for, modern shoe rack. All right, so I'm just gonna go here, modern, 5 modern shoe racks, shoe rack for you. And then I'm just gonna take this lining space and adjust a little bit, and then we have to have a background. So go to the elements and take this background and put it right here, and then make sure it is aligned and everything. So make it, you know, the color contemporary. Okay, so let me just do this a little bit, adjust. All right, there you go. And then maybe add some little effects or shadow. So that's it, guys. So this is what you want to do, and then you can simply paste into the, you know, Pinterest, and make sure you to have a blog just like this. Okay, if you don't know how to create a blog, I will leave the link in the description. You can find a full video, 1 hour video, okay, how to create a blog, how to create a blog website, how to purchase a domain. Otherwise, let me know in the comments. I'll make a full guide and create a blog like this and put the affiliate links, and then post on Pinterest by going right here. And keep in mind, when you're posting, a lot of people, you know, may confuse about, you know, tags, because some tags doesn't show up right here. But don't worry about the tags. All you need to worry about the board. You need to create a board or like, you know, some, you know, organizing niche. Okay, and then your description and title has to be good. Make sure to put the number in the title, so just like, you know, 5 modern shoe racks for you, and then add these keywords. Okay, so the one which we were you know, getting keywords from Pinterest trends. Okay, so these keywords. Okay, shoe storage, shoe rack, modern shoe rack, and then just leave it a couple of days and see how it, you know, accumulates the traffic on Pinterest. Okay, so this is a hidden niche, guys, so good luck.